reporting live. We're reporting in the backseat of the S4 right now. I got this big box. I wonder what could be in here. Who knows?
Gonna find out soon.
Yeah, we're going nah. It's just a grill for Kaylee's car. Looks badass.
Heading to the shop in Elkhart. Meeting Johnathan, some other guys there at 10R80 guy. He's gonna install his bead locks that I mounted up for him. We're gonna see how they look on his Mustang.
I don't want to sit with this thing anymore.
Yeah, we got like another 20 minutes in this car.
Claustrophobic.
Alright, we'll see you there.
I mean,
just got to the shop here in beautiful Northwest Indiana.
I fucking hate it.
Yeah, so we came here intent on Johnathan having his drag pack on. And I'm so depressed that I didn't get to see it. I mounted it up and everything. It looked so good. I'll have to drop a picture or something, but 10R80 guy disappointed me. So this is the new grill. Hold on. I'm gonna show you before. So this is before. B8.5 grill. Here's the new one we're about to put on. Probably not gonna leave this part on. I don't know if she wants to leave the badge on, but gonna definitely switch this black badge out for the chrome. That's gonna look better on there. Like the Quattro. Yeah, we're gonna set up a time lapse so you guys can watch.
All I know is these streets, I don't know if I'ma see them more. Spending money, making back every day, young nigga, I'm just tryna ball. Now any blood you send the clip all the odds, I'm tryna kill them all. All I know is
Finally got the grill on. Looks way better. Got the crash bar painted. Looks really good. Looks good next to the Beamer and the Z. Definitely a pretty easy job to do. All you gotta do is like take off a couple bolts in there. Nothing too crazy, and then a couple bolts in here, and then clips on top. Bumper comes off. Yeah, you know the drill. Hopefully by the summertime we can get this thing on some air ride as well. Right here's 10R80 guy. No, I don't have a scanner. I wish.
What the fuck? Jared should have one.
Something's wrong with his daily. What's up with it?
Squeaking like a motherfucker.
It's squeaking.
Not anymore.
What we cooking with here? 3.2? Too bad it's not a VR.
Honestly, I'd send it.
Said send it. Send the Volvo. Oh man. Alright, we're about to go get some foods.
Yeah, see, Tyler.
So Johnny, aka 10R80 guy, putting on the bead locks. Finally convinced him after he had them on and then took them off. Now we're just gonna do the same thing again exactly and put them on. That way we can show you guys.
Oh yeah, lucky my.
Taro is the video guy for Johnny today.
I'm unemployed. I have to get as much money as I can get.
Ooh. So we got a 305, what, 40? 305 40?
45.
305 45 on 17 by 10?
10, yeah. Hell yeah.
Bead lock. These are actually pretty easy to install. They're pretty easy to mount up, I mean.
Here. My guy, 10R80 guy, with the fresh bead lock.
By 45. By 17.
Let's get these babies on here. Check it out. Just stepped on some Panda Express. Yeah, this summer, I think I got my money on Johnny. I don't know. This thing could be quick too if he stopped being a pansy and turned the boost up. But we know that'll never happen. a killer. About to be hurting all the feelings this summer. As long as COVID doesn't. You know what? Screw that. COVID ain't gonna keep us from hitting Mexico action.
In the corner chilling over there.
NASCAR pit stop. Killing it. Easy, easy. You're scratching the car.
You guys don't want to hook. You get wheels like this.
You got that right. There's nothing but slicks over here. That one's flat.
No crew. Check us out.
Let's see how his brakes are. Let's see if he needs to do brakes.
No,
not bad. Not bad for an 18. Not bad. So if you guys didn't know, this is a 10-speed. I personally have seen it beat a S6. Supposedly with RS7 turbos. We don't know. But it gapped it in the 8th mile at that. In the 8th mile off a dig.
If you hit RS7 turbos, you know that's a 700, 800 horsepower car. And you walk and you beat it.
So this full bolt-on E85's got to be like 800 if it's beating that. Or he's just sleeping at the light. Maybe I'll post that video in here. Was like, yeah, you can hit 120, and then you hit 120 too quick.
Oh shit.
Figure that out. Oh, going up in tire size. Gonna check it up.
Too much tire.
So the white Stang's got some beadlocks too. But no tire yet. I think he's focused on a little bit more important things, probably. Who knows?
No sponsors over here.
Yeah.
This out of our pocket.
No sponsors.
We ain't got no sponsors.
Do all this hard work. Pays off.
Man, these things look so mean.
Got the other side on finally. And wow, does that look nice.
Shit. I think Nicole left it for me.
Good.
He's coming for all the CTSVs, all the Camaros, Z01s.
Ain't playing games this year.
You heard it from him. Ain't playing games this year.
Money runs.
And that is
only.
for sure.
Where are you playing?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, if anyone's looking for some beadlocks, Forge Stars, way to go. Super easy to simple, easy to install, easy to mount up. You can do it in your garage as long as you got a compressor.
Yeah, I think it looks so fast.
They look great. Highly recommend.
And still gotta go.
Congrats to Johnathan on his lovely purchase and addition.
I have to bleep some things out. I like to cuss a lot. I don't mean to.
We make it not move.
Yeah, we're
Yeah, Lars.
Dude, this thing is filthy.
Just jump in and-
All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you go subscribe to the channel, No Crew. Check out the website, No Crew, onlyfamily.com. There's some really good merch on there. We're actually about to drop another set of merch. Think you guys should like it.
February.
Same kind of style
February.
hoodies, just different designs.
We got new color banners. New color banners.
Yeah, new
coming.
color banner dropping soon,
Banner
too.
designs. We're not gonna say much on that.
Yeah, new banner designs. That's going to be a little sneak. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Go like, comment, and subscribe.
All I know is these streets on go if I'ma see them ball. Spending money, make it back every day, young nigga, I'm just tryna ball.